Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude AI access denied error. So if Claude won't let you access the website or app, then just follow along. First, refresh the page completely or completely close and reopen the Claude app. Then next, you need to make sure your internet connection is stable by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And if you're using a VPN, proxy, or privacy extension, then try temporarily disabling it and then try again, since these can sometimes trigger access restrictions. Now clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using Claude in a web browser, or update the Claude app to the latest version. And if the error still continues, open Claude in another browser or use another device to see if the issue is device specific. So that was how to fix the Claude AI access deny error. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.